Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School. English. Word chain. Let's chain the nouns. Haha. Hello, students. We all have learned what is a noun. The name of an object, a person, a place, or a feeling is a noun, right? And we all have seen different types of nouns too, like common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, etc. We all can play with these nouns. Are you wondering how? Okay, let us see it together. So, children, there is one thing we need to do. You all have played Antakshari of songs, right? What do you do in that? Simply, children, I know you know that you start the second song with an alphabet the first song ended with. Right? Am I right? We do this. So, the first song we sing and the end of the song, the alphabet it ends with, we start the second song with that alphabet. Isn't it? So now we are going to play a sort of nouns Antakshari. How? Let's see how. Don't worry, don't get confused, children. Let's see how. Let's take an example. If I give you the first word, which is a noun, as a fan, then what do you need to do? You need to write a noun which ends with N, because the spelling of fan is F-A-N. So it can be nail, and then the next noun should start with L, as nail ended with L, like light. Then the next one should start with what? Huh? Yes, correct. It should start with T, like a tube. Isn't it a good game? This is called as a word chain. It will increase your vocabulary, knowledge of parts of speech, and also you would know the correct spellings. Isn't it a wonderful game? Now what are you going to do? I'll give you one more to solve. Let me check out if you have understood what I'm trying to do. Yes? You're ready? Okay. Let's go ahead. So, ready to play again? I will give you one more word. Again a common noun. Fenugreek. Will you be able to make a word chain by adding more 3 nouns in this? Think for a while, children. Try it. Don't lose hope. Try it. Which alphabet you should start the new noun with? The rule is same. Last alphabet should be the first alphabet of the new noun. Right? So fenugreek ended with you're thinking, I suppose. And you should add up a noun which will give you an alphabet, which is an easy alphabet to make the next noun. Fenugreek, K, kettle, E, earth. Earth ends with H. Head. Head ends with D. D, deer. Deer ends with R. Rain. See, this is super easy, isn't it? So, will you be able to do this by yourself? Just think about. Now, homework, children. So, now